This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. The most desirable features on board this Chevrolet include a driver's seat lumbar support, power windows, satellite radio, a rear parking aid, side impact airbags, and this vehicle has just over 25,000 miles. The dependable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, has the torque and power that you need to get the job done. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This truck won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.